Okay, morning guys, Andy Demi here. I hope you're doing well, guys. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody for yesterday. Hope you had some rest. I was in front of my screen staring at charts and nothing is moving at the moment. So if you're a day trader, you know what I mean. It was mind-numbing yesterday. But anyway, probably today is going to be the same. It's a shortened day in America, so I'm not expecting too much, to be quite honest. But I've been going through the charts and I've been looking for opportunities, and I found something that could be ready to go over the next few weeks and months and could give us around 1,500 pips of opportunity. And I want to go through that with you on the charts to show you what I'm looking at and how you should basically be looking at taking advantage of this setup. So let's go and have a look at the charts and let me show you exactly what I'm looking at. Okay, so here we are, and the chart that I'm looking at basically is the sterling Oz. And in particular, I really like this channel here. So if you have a look, this market is basically been channeling down very nicely, and you can see every time this market basically reaches the top here, the market tends to have a nice drop, and you can see it's a good amount of pips here. So you're looking at over 1,000 pips every time, and from where we are right now, we're in a very similar position where you could be looking at basically another similar move down. So the other thing you can do here is you can also add in an indicator such as the stochastic, which can possibly add some confluence. So let's do that right now. And that's not too bad. So what you can see there is that this market basically is, at the points where we're falling, the market is like overbought, 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 and overbought. And so we've just hit the overbought section, we've just gone down. So that's kind of like, what you want to see if we can catch this move down. Now, if I just clear these notes here, what I would be recommending right now though is, because it's the weekend, you don't really want to be holding positions over the weekend in sterling, especially when it's a new trade. So it's different if you've entered this market and let's say you've, during the week, and you caught the top and you're in profits and there's a little bit of a gap. But if you enter now, the problem you've got is you may have no profits and your stop might be tight, and then something might come out over the weekend and then you end up getting a much bigger stop than what you anticipated. So what I would be proposing that you do is you go down to the lower time frames, and in particular I like the 4-hour time frame. Okay, and you want to basically plot your support and resistance, your trend lines on the 4-hour trend line on the 4-hour chart, and let's for example say it's trending up. Then you can wait for a trend line break to give you a confirmed entry to basically short this market. Okay, that's the much safer way of doing it. If you're experienced and you're comfortable with bigger stops, then you can use something like the weekly, but using the lower time frames will allow you to time your entry a little bit better, and also you can go in with a smaller stop. Okay, so hopefully that helps, guys. That's today's trading idea. Okay guys, so hope that helps. Have a great weekend, do something fun, get some rest, and let's hit the markets next week again, and hopefully they're going to be moving and we can have a nice end to the year. Have a good one guys, take care, all the best.